All right, everybody, Thursday. 31 through 40. Here we go. I'll give you a little commentary as we go, because I think Titan's outside. Okay. Number 31. Which expression is a factor of that nonsense? Well, let's factor out. Tell me what the greatest common factor of those three terms are. I know it's a quadratic. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need to factor it with quadratic factoring. Just tell me what it has, what all three terms have in common. 32. Which of these shows the complete factorization of, wow, look at that. So instead of trying to factor that trinomial out, why don't you multiply or FOIL the choices and see what you get? So for example, on A, where's my finger? There it is. Okay, so for A, multiply the 3 times that first parentheses, and then you can FOIL the 2 parentheses. Or FOIL the 2 parentheses first, and then multiply the 3 towards everything. Okay, so that's how you work that out. 33. What are the zeros of the function represented by the expression? Okay, so that's you're going to have to factor. Hint, hint. Why don't you just plug that in Desmos and see what it gives you? Okay, remember zeros, I want x-intercepts. 34. What is the vertex of the graph? That's a negative b over 2a, but you could also put that into Desmos if you really wanted to. It's cheating, but it's okay. 35. Which of these is the result of completing the square for the expression? Okay, so complete the square here to get to vertex form. Now, remember, this is x squared plus 8x minus 30 equals 0. And then you can complete the square that way, okay? 36. Okay, that expression represents a company's profit for selling X items. For which numbers, or number, of items sold is the company's profit equal to 0? Okay, so if I'm trying to find out what the profits items are sold when it equals to 0, this is a quadratic, make it equal 0. And then solve the x-intercepts, because the x-intercepts are when the profit will be 0, okay? 37. The formula for area of a circle is that. What equation shows the formula in terms of r? Okay, this is a literal equation. You are solving for r. Okay? 38. What are the solutions to the equation? Okay, that's a quadratic. You need to factor it and solve it. 39, what are the solutions to the equation? Guess what it is, guys? It's a quadratic. Factor it, solve it. Number 40, what are the solutions to the equation? Same exact thing. Now be careful though. That's equaling to 14. You have to subtract 14 from both sides first and have the 0 on the right-hand side in order to factor this. Okay. Uh-oh. Titan's doing something bad. Bye, guys. Have a great Thursday. Hopefully, greatness will come to you later on, because this finally came in. I'll explain later. Goodbye.